Happy morning, guys. Now today we are going to discuss about some more problems about E cell. See, in the last week last class we done some problem based on E cell equal to E cathode minus E anode. Okay, but that formula now we have to stop using that formula. Now new formula we have to use that one. What actually it is? Reduction potential. See, before going to that one, I will tell you one thing. Some chemicals they will react, some chemicals it won't react. So, for example, which of the E cell value is coming positive, the reaction takes place. If the E cell is coming negative, the reaction not possible. First of all, if the positive is coming, the reaction takes place. The negative coming, reaction not possible. First remember this one. Okay? Better to you take here. E naught cell is positive, reaction takes place. E naught cell negative, reaction not possible. Okay, and one more thing, if the reaction is coming positive, it is called spontaneous. The reaction is coming positive, it is called spontaneous. Okay, spontaneous reaction. Even this E cell, even we can call also EMF of the cell. E cell is called EMF, also we can call it. Okay, but actually E cell equals to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. This formula we know already. So by using this one also, positive coming na, it is reaction takes place, negative coming na, reaction is not take place. But here new reaction came to predict whether the metal react with acid to give hydrogen gas. Okay, to predict whether metal react with acid to give hydrogen gas. See, in this one what we are telling, sometimes reaction may be addition also possible. Sometimes reaction addition also possible, they are telling. So E naught cathode plus E naught anode. So not only negative, not only subtraction, sometimes addition also possible, they are telling in this reaction. Okay, but when we are using this formula, that time some condition is there. It is reduction potential value equals to negative oxidation potential. When you are doing this one, when you are using this second formula, definitely you use this third one. Without using this one, you can't do this one. This is the rule. This both. If you want to use this formula, addition, cathode and anode addition, if you are using, definitely you have to do reduction potential. Means where is reduction going on? There oxidation potential negative you have to take. Where is reduction going on? There is oxidation negative value we have to take. So means what? Oxidation potential we have to take in negative charge. Oxidation potential we have to take negative charge we have to take. Okay, by explaining with examples. I will explain clearly. I will use some examples and I will explain clearly. Okay. Now one by one problems we have to do. One by one problems we have to do. See, these all problems. For example, they will ask question like this: Can nickel spatula used? Can a nickel spatula be used in a stir solution of copper sulfate? Yes. For example, this is nickel one. For stirring purpose, we can use it in copper sulfate solution. They are asking question. This kind of questions. So we want to store some solution. If we want to store in zinc in iodine, this kind of questions we have to ask. Is it reaction possible or not? This kind of reactions we have to do problem. Okay. Now I will show you the question, because of if I am writing it is taking a lot of time. Very big questions are there. Okay. See, copy the question fast. Predict whether zinc and silver react with 1m sulfuric acid to give out hydrogen gas or not. Given that standard reduction potential of zinc and silver are minus 0.76 volts and 0.80 volt respectively. Predict whether zinc and silver react with 1m sulfuric acid to give out H2 gas and give the standard reduction potential. Zinc and silver is this. Now, just to do one thing, do the problem. If it is possible, do it. Otherwise, just look at my problem. Okay? Now, question number 1. Question I am showing very fast. Right or not? Pause the video and first complete the reaction, because of I won't write. Now answer. Pause the video, write the question and do it. You try once. Okay? I know who those are students will try, I know. Okay? After try, now let's look at my video. Now answer for first A. What is the question? Predict whether the zinc and silver react with 1m sulfuric acid. Zinc and silver react with or not. Hydrogen gas is producing or not. See, first zinc and sulfuric acid you take. Okay. Now first zinc and sulfuric acid. Step by step. Zinc react with H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. Just imagination reaction this is. Imagination reaction. By writing only. How can we can write? We can write in any manner. But this reaction is possible or not, we have to check it out. Zn plus 2H plus gives rise to Zn plus and H2. This Zn plus means this one. Both are same. Zn plus 2 and ZnSO4 both are same only. Okay. This is the reaction. Now how to write in cell? How to write cell representation? Zn single line, Zn plus 2, Zn and Zn plus 2, salt bridge, H plus and single line H2. H plus single line H2. See this one. Now write the formula. This is the cell representation. Now here what is going on here? Anode, cathode, here reduction, here oxidation. This everything you know. Every reaction cell we have to write like this first of all. If we write like this only, easily we will calculate it. Now standard EMF of cell formula is standard reduction potential of RHS electrode. Studies formula. standard reduction potential of RHS, right hand side minus, right hand side minus. Now standard reduction potential of LHS electrode. Okay, see, cathode side 0, anode side what, how much they given in the question? Cathode how much they given? Zinc, it is minus 0.76, minus 0.76 they given. Even cathode minus anode also if we can do that one. Okay, so E cell equals to cathode minus anode. Cathode is how much? 0 minus how much value? Minus 0.76, close the bracket. See how much value coming here? E cell equals to plus 0.76 volts. Okay, so the reaction takes place. Reaction takes place. Positive coming, reaction takes place. So this means what? Hydrogen gas is producing. The zinc and sulfuric acid, when both are reacted, that time H2 gas will come out. This is the question A. Same process B. Same process B. What is that? Now 2Ag silver react with H2SO4 gives rise to what it is? Ag2SO4 with H2. How can we write this one? 2Ag plus H plus 2H plus gives Ag plus, okay, 2Ag plus and H2 gas. Now write the cell representation. Ag single line Ag plus and H plus single line H2. Get it? Here what we are taking? Here cathode place we are taking. Cathode reduction, anode oxidation. Got it? What is the value? 0. What is this one? It is how much value they given? 0.80 they given. So E cell equal to E naught cell equal to cathode minus anode 0.80. So reaction is coming how much? Minus 0.80 volt. Minus 0.80 volt. So here the EMF of suspended cell come out be negative. The reaction does not takes place. The reaction does not takes place. Reaction A is possible, reaction B is not possible. Reaction A is possible, reaction B is not possible. So silver react with H2SO4, H2 gas doesn't produce. Got it? This is the way of doing first problem. Now problem number 2. Problem number 2. Can solution 1M solution, can a solution of 1M copper sulfate be stored in a vessel made up of nickel metal, given that nickel plus 2 is equal to plus 0.25 volts and E naught cell copper plus 2 is minus 34 minus 0.34 volts. Same downside also, both are same. Can nickel spatula be used for stir solution of copper sulfate? Support your answer with reason. See, upside values different they given here. See, look at there. Upside positive they given, downside negative they given. Here negative they given, here positive they given. Whatever they will give, don't care. First to do one thing. First we have to do one thing. Okay? Clear? This is the question. Once again I am showing. Yeah. See, what is it telling? First of all, whatever values they are giving, you have to write the reaction. Let's take answer. Nickel plus CuSO4. This only telling, right? C, nickel SO4 plus copper. How can we write this one? How can we write this one? It is nickel plus Cu plus 2. SO4 we can write into plus 2 and it become nickel plus 2 and Cu. Got it? So now cell representation. Cell representation, write it. So copper always cathode only. So Cu plus salt bridge, nickel plus. Got it? So copper, nickel. Sorry, this is reverse. Here Cu plus 2 will come. Okay? Take it. See here, cathode, reduction, anode, oxidation. How I am telling? By looking upside. Year to year, what is going on here? Copper is gaining. Okay, 1 minute. Nickel is losing electrons. So oxidation. Copper is gaining electrons, reduction. Got it? By looking this one only I am telling. I am not writing this manner. Why I am writing nickel first? Why I am writing copper next? With reason only. Okay? Right side cathode we have to take. Cathode means reduction. Reduction where is going on? Here going on. So that's why I am taking this side. Okay? After taking this, now E0 nickel plus 2. Value how much they given? First of all we write common as usual. First question 1 you write plus 0.25. Got it? Next E0 Cu plus 2 is how much they given in the question? Minus 0.34 volts they given. Okay? That is plus, this is minus. Hence, reduction potential will be, hence, reduction potential will be E0 nickel is minus 0.25. Minus 0.25 means reduction potential equal to minus oxidation potential, right? See, and oxidation potential equal to reduction minus reduction potential. Now it is E0 Cu plus 2 is plus 0.34. Plus 0.34. Okay? Now RHS minus LHS, cathode minus anode. E cell equals to, what is cathode here? Cathode is this one. So this one Cu minus plus 0.34 minus 0.25. minus 0.25. What it is? Answer will come minus into minus plus, plus into plus. It is plus 0.59. So the answer is, or E naught cell is positive. So reaction does not takes place. Takes place means, so we should not use that one. So we can't use EMF comes out positive, that implies Cu react with nickel, and CuSO4 can't be stored in nickel vessel. Finally, now write a conclusion. CuSO4 can't be stored in nickel vessel. Reason is what? Positive. E naught cell is positive. Remember like this only, Amma. Actually, why positive only? Why it is not possible? That reduction potential series, everything we have to by heart again. Okay. So positive. That's why. Even write a hint in the reason also. You can write positive. E cell value is positive. Okay. Now this is the answer number 2. Got it? Clear? Yeah. Reduction potential we done. Without you do it, same answer will come. Second question, second reason is there, na? By using that one, that answer will come without doing. In the question, 2 questions they given, right? Yes. Now third question. Iodine and bromine are added to solution containing iodine. Iodine and bromide is added to solution containing iodine and bromide ions. What reaction would occur if the concentration of each species is 1 m? The electrode potential of cells is E iodine is 0.54, E bromine 1.08 volt. Try to understand the question. If you understand the question only, you can do the problem. See, iodine, bromine are added to a solution containing iodine. Okay, understood? See, in solution, iodine and bromide is there. Again, we are adding iodine and bromide separately. Both are separately we are adding. See, which reaction is possible? Iodine, bromine, bromine, iodine. Which reaction is possible is asking. With concentration is 1 m. Electrode potentials of reactions are they given 0.54 volt and 1.08 volt. They both are they given. Now, question number 3rd. Answer. What reactions are possible? Write first of all. The reaction can be either bromine. See, bromine with bromine reaction is not possible. Okay, bromine with iodine only possible. So, 2 iodine ions are there in a solution. First, bromine we are added to, 2 iodines are there in solution. That one we are added. That time what will happen? Br minus. So, it is donate electrons to this one. It is taking electrons and it forming iodine like this. Okay, this is the first reaction. This is first reaction. Second reaction what? The iodine we are adding to 2 bromine. Okay, now it becomes 2 iodine and Br2. For example, sir, why we are not using Br to Br? Nothing reaction will. Iodine, nothing reaction. But this one, first reaction. Second reaction, this one. Okay. For first reaction, number 1, number 2. First reaction. Now let's take first reaction. First reaction. E naught cell equals to cathode. What we are taking here? Cathode reduction where is going on, there only we are taking. I am not telling again and again. So Br, cathode I am taking Br to Br minus. Why I am taking cathode place Br, you know. So E naught I2 I minus equals to C 1.08 minus 0.54. I did that only, right? Br answer the given, I didn't answer the given. Now finally E cell how much coming? E cell is 0.54 volt. First answer, first reaction answer, we got it that. Second, E naught cell, second reaction for this one. E naught iodine I minus minus E naught Br2 Br minus equal to 0.54 minus what? 1.08. Answer how much it will come? Minus 0.54 will come. So first answer positive, second answer is negative. So which reaction is possible? Which reaction is possible? So first reaction is takes place. First reaction maybe takes place. Okay, so this reaction is correct, this reaction is wrong. Got it? How to do? Which reaction is possible? Which one is possible? Very difficult. These all are NCERT problems, Amma. Every year they are asking, Amma. 2008, 2011, 2012. ICSE board they are asking, CBSE board they are asking these questions. Very, very important. 3 questions only taking 27 minutes, Amma. So we have to do very fast. Year after all are similar problems only. Yeah, next question. Fourth question. Predict the reaction 1N sulfuric acid with copper, lead, iron. Predict the reaction of 1N sulfuric acid with copper, lead, iron. Now given copper is 0.34, lead minus 0.13, and ferrous iron is minus 0.44. Okay, now predict with sulfuric acid. Now what will happen? Just you do it. Fourth question. Simple and easy process. Fourth question. See, first of all, we have to write the reaction. Okay, no need to write the reaction. You can write directly. See, H plus H2 we are taking as a cathode place. Every time H plus we will take into cathode place only. So first what they are telling? Copper they are telling. So just to take copper, Cu plus 2. This is the cell representation for first one. For first one cell representation is like this. Okay, for first one cell representation is like this. And what is H2SO4 is reduction going on cathode. It anode oxidation, AORC. OARC or AORC? AORC. Right? So copper how much they given? Copper they are given 0.34 E cell. And hydrogen what? 0 because of standard reduction cell, that is standard electrode potential, standard electrode potential 0. So this is this one, this is this one, cathode minus anode. So E cell equals to cathode minus anode equals to cathode is 0 minus 0.34. What will come? 0.34 positive will come. Okay. 0.034 equal to minus 0.34. Negative came. So negative came means what? Reaction not possible. Reaction not possible. Simply the answer is no. Question number 2. Inside only question number 2. Lead. Lead is what? Now same AO, RC, H plus you take and H2 also you take, salt bridge you take, lead 1 you take. Lead what we have to take? Pb plus 2 Pb. Pb plus 2 Pb. So cathode minus anode. Lead how much they given? Minus 0.13 and this is 0. Now cathode minus anode. E cell equal to 0 minus 0.13. Minus into minus plus, it is 0.13. So it is positive. So reaction is possible. Now simply reaction is yes. It is no. It is yes. Now next. Third one. AO. What is possible? Fe plus 2. Salt bridge. H plus H2 gas. RC. AO RC don't write. I am writing, but you don't write. Fe how much they given? Minus 0.44 they given. And this is 0 they given. So E cell equal to 0 minus 0.44 equals to plus 0.44. So reaction S. Now question 1 no. Question number 2 yes. Question number 3 yes. No, yes, yes. Predict the reaction with 1N sulfuric acid, copper, lead, iron. First one is no, second one is yes, third one is yes. So by looking question also we can tell it. Because of which is positive they given. The positive they given, it is no. Negative they given, yes. Negative they given, yes. Negative they given, yes. Negative they given, yes. Positive they given, no. That way also we can do it. But not every time. Be careful. Okay. The next one. Take the question. Can we store copper sulfate solution in zinc vessel? Can we store copper sulfate solution in zinc vessel? Second question. Copper sulfate solution in silver vessel. And third question. Copper sulfate solution in iron vessel. Third. C. First A, B, C. 3 questions. Give suitable explanation. Copper is 0.34. Zinc is minus 0.76. Silver is 0.80. Fe is minus 0.44 volt. Yeah. Do that question. Tell the answer. Which are possible, which are not possible. I done already. One minute, guys. Already done. Yeah. Yeah. Second question. This is See, copper, zinc. Copper I taken cathode because of reduction, anode oxidation. Cathode minus anode. Positive came, positive 1.1, positive 1.1, so reaction is no. And copper and silver, cathode and anode, RO. C, minus 0.34 minus 0.80, negative came. Got it? So, negative came S. Now, 0.34 minus 0.44, positive came. So, reaction is no. Got it? This way we have to do the problem. This way we have to do the problem. No SS. A, B, C. 3 questions, 3 problems we done. Okay? Why I am going very speed? Because of within 1 hour at least we have to do 20 problems. But even this is 3rd, I think so. 5th. Okay? Next. 6th problem. 6th problem. Third one is 6th. A copper wire dipped in AgNO3 solution. A copper wire dipped in AgNO3 solution kept in a beaker A, and silver wire is dipped in solution copper sulfate kept in B. If standard electrode potential for Cu and Ag, predict the which beaker ions are present. Which beaker the ions present will get reduced. Which beaker is reduced? The question. Write the question carefully first of all. Stop the video and write. Okay? Now you do it. After doing, I will tell you. Pause the video. Next, look at the answer. First you try. If it won't come, you have to do again. Now first of all, what we have to do? We have to write the reactions. First reaction, second reaction. First reaction in beaker, first beaker A. A beaker, B beaker. What is it telling? Copper wire, Cu wire kept in AgNO3. Kept in AgNO3. So 2 moles we have to take because of 2 valency of copper. So CuNO3 twice plus 2 Ag. Second question, not second question, one only. Write in different manner. Cu plus 2 Ag plus gives rise to Cu plus 2 plus 2 Ag. See, from year to year what happened? Year to year what happened? So year to year oxidation, year to year reduction. Reduction we are taking into cathode side, oxidation we are taking into anode side. So write the cell structure, cell representation. Cell representation, write it. What is that? Cu plus 2 plus 2 Ag. E cell for reaction, question how much they given in the Cu2 plus is plus 34 they given, and Ag is plus 0.80 they given. Okay, Cu how much they given? Plus 0.34 they given. For reduction 0.80 they given. The positive they given. Here also positive only given. Okay, when they give both positive, that time what you have to do? Reduction potential of cell equals to minus oxidation potential. Formula: reduction potential equals to oxidation potential. When we do this one reaction, different reaction we have to take. That already starting of the topic I told. See, reduction potential equal to minus oxidation potential. Where is oxidation going on? Here oxidation going on. So reduction potential equal to minus oxidation potential. So I will write clearly. Reduction potential equal to minus oxidation potential. Don't confuse. See, reduction potential equal to oxidation potential is what? So minus 0.34. Now this is positive, this is negative, we got it. Now apply the formula. E cell equal to cathode minus anode. Don't confuse. Sorry, cathode plus anode. Why we are taking plus? Because we are using this formula. That's why we are taking plus. So E cell equals to cathode how much? It is minus 0.34 plus anode how much? 0.80. It becomes positive 0.46. Positive 0.46. It is a positive. Hence, Ag plus ions reduced to Ag. Ag plus ions reduced to Ag. This is the question. So, what is he asking? The copper wire dipped into Ag and what is kept A. So, answer is beaker A. It's positive. Ag ions reduced to Ag. That's it. Second one we have to do or no need to do? Okay. In the sixth question, only copper only possible. In a beaker A only reduced. In the beaker B, reduced possible or not? You do it. Beaker B, you do it, amma. Possible or not? You do it. Maximum not possible. Here possible, right? Here not possible. Yeah. Now problem number 7. Why blue color copper sulfate? Why blue color copper sulfate? Copper sulfate neela tota, blue vitriol. Copper sulfate solution get discharged. When discharged, when? Where is the question? Yeah. Why blue color copper sulfate solution get discharged when zinc rod is dipped in it? Given copper 34, zinc 0.76. Both are positive they given. Positive. What we have to do? when they gave positive, we have to do reduction potential formula. When they give positive, we have to do reduction potential formula. Why blue color copper sulfate solution is get discharged? Question. You do it. Now later you look at once my video. First you do it. Okay. Now reduction potential. First in the reaction, Zn and copper, where it is oxidation is going on, where is reduction is going on. So Zn plus 2 salt bridge, Cu plus 2 Cu, cathode anode, oxidation reduction. Oxidation is here. So oxidation here means, so copper is plus 0.34 plus 0.34. So reduction is minus 0.76. Okay, got it? So minus, sorry, plus only. The question plus only they given. Here also plus only they given. Now first of all we have to do reduction potential.